Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Apple ID tied to your old library and sign in on your primary device. This ensures you access the correct account. Once signed in, enable Sync Library, iCloud Music Library, so Apple can reconcile cloud metadata and purchases with local files. Make a quick backup via iCloud or Finder. This protects today's library state in case you need to revert. This step prevents accidental loss and lets the service locate your previous library assets and playlists. Now you reconcile differences. Open the Music app and run Update iCloud Music Library to force a sync. This prompts Apple to match uploaded tracks and recover cloud-stored metadata. Next, inspect purchased, playlists, and recently added. Make sure playlists are present and songs show match/upload icons. If tracks remain offline, use the upload/match status to rematch local files or re-upload originals. This repairs mismatches between your local library and Apple's cloud copies, recovering play counts and playlist order when possible. Finish by syncing all devices and verifying playlists, metadata, and song availability. Sign out and back in where sync issues persist, then restart the Music app to clear temporary states. If the library still seems incomplete, re-import from your local backup or restore the device backup you made earlier. This will reinstate missing local files. If problems remain, contact Apple support with your Apple ID, a description of the issue, and any sync logs or purchase evidence so they can trace account-level problems and restore your original library.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.